So now let's see how we can work around with transform option inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with transform option, first of all, you need to go around onto the image menu right here, and you can see that transform is an option. So transform option allows you to rotate out the image right here, as you can see right here. So you can go around and rotate out the image to 90 degrees right here, just like this. And you can also go around over here and transform out the image right here by flipping it in different direction right here. You can flip it vertically right here. You can go around and flip it horizontally, as you can see right here. You can go around and rotate it 180 degrees right here as well, just like this. So you got a more straightforward transformation option right here by rotating it right here, by flipping it right here, and just like this, you can go around and change around the outlook of the image right there. So that is how you can work around with the transform option inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.